Okay guys, thank you for tuning in again. It's your baby girl Bianca Beleza Girls. Thank you for tuning in today. Guys, I'm so happy. At the same time, I don't know, like the makeup that I'm wearing, guys. How do I look on this makeup? Like the face is, here is white, guys. What I did, maybe I will be doing tutorial. In case you like the makeup of this video, let me know by saying Bianca, I love it. This makeup, it took me just should I say how many 30 minutes. What I used, it was foundation, then I used white concealer with white powder. I used it to set it, and that was just it. And the eyeshadow is just one color, orange tap with gold. I don't know if you guys can see. And the contouring, I use orange to contour, orange contouring. Finished. The same color on my eyeshadow, I use the color of my cheek. Finish. In 3 lipstick, I use the one of a Hyundai, the one of L'Oreal, and the other one, it was also from Classic. So these are the 3 lipstick. Okay, thank you for tuning in again. Let me know, waste your time. In case you love the makeup, let me know. And this earring, I did a review for it. You can check down this video. I will leave the video down. Okay, so that is just it. And this hair, I just leave it this way, like going like the core is the way it is. I just wet it and I comb it, and that is just it. And I use gel to hold it a little bit. Listen. Thank you for tuning in again. Let's go, guys. Finally, the package is here. The package last time that I was feeling sad. The package last time that I was feeling, oh my god, what is happening? I gave up. I was just like, if they should bring it, fine. If they are not bringing it, I can kill myself. And thank God, God knows my heart. God sees my heart that I really need those things, and that is why there was a possibility. I contacted them on Instagram so that they can fix it. I can't just spend money and the same time head up not having my things. I ordered it because I need it. I ordered it from my own house because I need it. That is why I ordered online. Or else I would just drive my car, go out there and get it from the shop. But at the same time, I don't know what happened. They said a number was missing. I don't know how come, but thank God it's here. And that is just the video that I did. Yes, I gave up. Now the package is here. Thank you, everybody. The love. My godmother was always there for me. She was only the one that gave me ear and hobby. Hobby was like, it will come. Hobby help me a lot. Like to call Sephora, yeah, support assistance number or contact to call them. We spent roughly maybe 10 euro. Because to call a minute, oh my god, they will direct you to this side, they will direct you to this side. So that was just it. Thank God is here. So let's see what we have inside. Thank you for watching, and let's see. This is the package. Yeah. Okay, that is Steffi. So I'm just gonna hold it this way, and then do it so sharp and quick one. Because I'm cooking and at the same time my food is ready. Look at the boss.
Sí, papá, ¿es pronto? Ok.
Arrivo, eh? So guys, I told you I'm cooking. I just want to do it so that this makeup, I can use it to do other things. This is the package here. It's not that I have much inside, but let's see what we have inside. The foundation that I ordered last time. Okay guys, I'm back. I just went to check the things that I'm cooking. I'm cooking coconut rice, and there's the water from the coconut. I bought it at the Afro shop, and it's so I can't wait. So guys, this is it. This is the carton over here. Let's see what we have. The Hyundai Beauty that I bought last time, it was too dark for me, guys. So I went for more. This one is just white for white ladies, and this is a shade Amaranth 310G. Oh my god, that is 4 number 310G. 310G. This is the shade here in the beauty. I'm going to be using it to mix the other one that I bought last time that was too dark. Okay, and here I have my clinic. Okay, this is a cleaning to moisturize your face. 72-hour clinic hydration, 72 hours health replenish hydrator, and yeah, that is it. Look at that, guys. So that is it. I hope you can see it. Okay, so, and what I have again, I also bought this Sephora concealer. It's also light, just like the one that I did with what they call this Douglas. Okay, I also go for a white shade. This is just number 7. Okay, this is number 7. Also white, like real white. When I say white, is white. I'll be doing video for it when using it. Here is my way. I ordered it as a gift to somebody for this Christmas. This Christmas, all it was money, makeup, perfume, money, makeup, perfume, all around. And this very one also, this is a spray. I love this spray. This is a beauty mattifier, Sephora beauty mattifier sets spray. That one is another language. Set and refresh spray. And this spray, you guys know I have about 2 of it. So the one that I have just let you to go, and this is not let you, no, 1.5 or so. Yeah, I have different kind of spray, but I also love this mattifying spray. Okay, guys, so that is it. So these are the things that I was waiting for. Mostly this my face cream, I really need it, and this one too. This one is this spray. It just spray. I just need like, let me buy to be spraying everyday spray in case I want to do everyday makeup when Obi is at home. And this very one is just to mix my foundation, and this foundation is 40 euro, I think so. Yeah, 40 euro or 38 something. That's 40 euro, about 30 something euro. And this one I can't remember the price. You can go online, just download their app. This video is not sponsored, but at the same time, download the app and you can, get all the things that you need in your house. You just sit down on your sofa, or at the same time you lie down on your bed and you can place order. Buy anything. They have all brands, like they have Fenty Beauty, they have Mac, Jacob, they have Hyundai, they have Dio, they have their product as well as Sephora, okay, Sephora collection, and they have any kind of brand you need, like Estee Lauder is, I think Estee Lauder and Dior is their most, and Fenty Beauty is their most friends. They have Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever have the foundation, which it was 42 euro, so yeah, about 42 euro, 41 euro, something like, okay. And any kind of thing you need, you just go on Sephora, go on Play Store, download their app, insert your email, your code, your name, your surname, your MasterCard, and then you place order. Whenever you need the order, you place it and they will bring it to you in your house, okay. So it's more comfortable. So last time that I didn't receive it, then I will just regret it. But make sure your address, everything is correct, and that is it. You are good to go. So these are the things we have for the Sephora. They only gave me just only 2 gifts, but this one I don't know what is this gift. Yeah, this gift also. So guys, these are the things, the very thing that I was waiting for, and thank God is here. Okay, so this is it, guys. I really do appreciate. Okay, thank you for watching, and yeah, dive in. Thank you for watching, and that is the thing that I can say for now. And the next thing is maybe, I don't know, Saturday I'll be using it to do makeup, the foundation, everything. I'll be using it to do video. Okay, thank you for always coming back. That I love. These are thumbnails, guys. Thank you for always coming back. I really do appreciate. Ease your baby girl, Kabaleta girls. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy your Christmas and New Year. I I wish you whatever you wish yourself. Okay, peace out and bye.